Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR has done exactly what we wanted to do over the recent months. I remember when actually I was on holiday, but I still made videos, obviously. So we were down here in the support region and was like, okay, you know, ideally to complete this Elliott Wave triangle, which is highlighted here in yellow, A, B, C, D, E. From down here, we would rally into the ideal target area as well as resistance area. For wave E into the region between 5.8 cents and 6.7. We have arrived there now, and this is a complete ABC structure. So, however, it shows some weakness. Okay, it shows some weakness. You see the selling pressure that has come in, but the price is still climbing higher slowly. So there's not really a very clear rejection in an impulse. So we have to consider it might still push a little higher. And that's not a problem. This was just sort of the next, let's say the next target to get to. And now we need to take a step back and take a look at where we actually are. And is there a chance for something more bullish? Well, it is, to be honest, quite tricky with this chart. This is a crystal clear Elliott Wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E, which if we now see an impulse down from here, but that would be the requirement, it needs to hold below 7.6 cents. For the yellow count to make another bear market low basically to work out. It needs to hold below the C wave high at 7.6 cents. And then it would need to follow through to the downside, break below the October low, which is down there at 4.5 cents. And then just follow through and maybe it will land somewhere around 2 to 3 cents. This would be a bearish scenario. This is still a possibility, likely. But of course, there is a more bullish scenario available as well. However, I need to see some evidence. I need to see it break above the descending trend line. Okay, the short-term trend is clearly up, but I need to see it to break above that trend line, really. Okay, and then we can consider this maybe some kind of a diagonal that's currently unfolding here. In this third wave, we would then be moving in the third wave. I will add a subwave structure when we see a little bit more price action that is a little clearer. But what I can tell you, if we see a break above 6.7 cents, which honestly it might do. I mean, generally the market is more bullish now than it was in, let's say throughout August, September. So we've said that we generally assume that lows are in place for these coins. I've never taken the bullish pathway here off the chart. It's just that I would like to get a little bit more clarity. I mean, in the short term, in the last few weeks, it didn't matter at all because we reached our target. And now it's about, okay, let's see if it can now break above the target box, which is 6.7 cents. Take it to the next move at 7.6 cents. And if we break above that, then I think we are in this third wave here possibly. And it might form here overall a massive diagonal pattern, yeah? So that this was just an ABC structure in a wave 1 of a diagonal, wave 2. This here would be a third wave, which is currently in the making and would be an, I can give you a subwave count, but it's completely messy. So this would be an A wave up, B wave down, C wave now, okay, and I highlight it in white. I'll take the subwaves out here, we don't need them anymore. I want to make it a bit clearer here. Oops, what did I do? So hide like that. So take that out. Yeah, and then we would be basically in this C wave to the upside now, which to be honest should reach, normally the 1-to-1 ratio is something we're watching for. Yeah, 8.6 cents in the wave C would be ideal, but that would not be enough for all of wave 3. So all of wave 3 would need to reach ideally at least the 1-to-1 ratio of wave 1. So we're talking here about 11 cents, okay? So that's the 1.38 extension of wave A. 11 cents would be the minimum expectation here for this move to the upside if the white wave count plays out. So that would be what it needs to reach at a minimum to give us a clear view. Okay, we might be working on this larger diagonal. So that means 6.7 cents breakout point. Then we've got 7.6, and then it should take it to 11 cents next. Yeah, that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. And there's additional content there every single day about trading, TA, Elliott Wave, and so on. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.